Hi there. Today I thought I'd show you a quick system for filing. Yeah, filing's the best word. Your financial paperwork. You'll get bills to pay, you'll get receipts when you've paid those bills, and you might get other information that goes with the bills. You'll also have income coming in, and you might have created an invoice which has been paid, or you might get, say, a group certificate for some consulting work or something like that. So what I do is I create two folders, and the first one up, you heard it crash, you heard it first. The first one up is expenses. And it's a basic setup. What I do in the front here, I have those lovely coloured dividers, and the first one is to pay. So all the bills that come in go in the first section, and they're filed with the most urgent one on top. Now I happen to pay bills weekly, so this makes my life very easy. I can see which bills have to be paid that day. And if I've got a bit of money spare, I might pay another bill to get a little bit ahead. Once they're paid, I put them into sections depending what the accountant's interested into. But I also record, you can just see it there, the BPay number and the receipt number. Whichever way you pay, it's a good idea to keep it recorded. And then the accountant's told me that he's interested in my car expenses, and he's interested in the house, as in utilities and any repairs, etc. I do, because don't forget, if you work from home, a percentage of your business expenses are tax deductible, and this keeps it all in one section. I have a visa section so that any visa payments I make and the statements are all filed, and I have books and publications and stationery section. These are all to keep the tax accountant happy. Now in the income folder, I simply have sections for the type of income I have. So let's say I get paid for one of my books. Well, that might be a cash sale, and that would be under sales, simply sales. I may not have written an invoice for it, and then in another case I might have sold 5 books at a time and I would have invoiced. So the copy of the invoice is in there, and as soon as it's paid, it's marked paid just the same way as I marked those that I have paid. The other sorts of income that you might be getting are some consulting income, which might require like a weekly payment slip or however they've agreed to pay you, and you might need to put that in as earnings. And those sorts of income streams would be listed in there. So the main thing that I find are things like shares, earnings from my business, and the sales. And these sorts of things can go into a file just for the business. So I actually, for my own business, I run one file. At the front it has all the expenses, and at the back it has all the income, and that's how I divide it up. Simple, isn't it?